Welcome to another Tap2Launch tutorial. In this quick video, we'll show you how to manage groups of URLs in one single event campaign. Campaigns serve as an efficient tool for organizing and managing large batches of items under one single project umbrella. By utilizing this feature, you can streamline changes across all items linked to a specific project event, ensuring consistency and saving time. Additionally, campaigns provide valuable insights through analytic reports, enabling you to assess the performance and impact of grouped items collectively. Please note that each order is pre-programmed and configured by the time your physical merchandise is delivered. In the Campaigns Events section, you'll find that a campaign has already been set up. The default campaign name will reflect the order date, but you are welcome to rename it with a more relevant event name. How to manage campaigns. To create a new campaign, simply click on the Create button. In the new modal window, you will need to enter the campaign title and a more descriptive notes. Make sure to click Save. To delete a campaign, you simply select it and click on the Delete icon. If you need to associate a URL's order to this campaign, visit the Short URL section and locate the appropriate URLs. Click Edit and visit option 7 to select this new campaign and click Update. Please note that if a URL order is already associated with another campaign, you will need to remove it before you can assign it to this new campaign. To remove a URL from a campaign, you need to select it and click on Add Remove. How to configure campaigns. Locate the desired campaign event and click on the Edit icon. Please note that if a newly created campaign has no orders or URLs associated with it, you won't be able to configure any rules. If you've already watched the video, How to Manage Orders URLs, you'll notice that these options are quite similar, but now they apply at the group level. Option 1. Basic Details. In this section, you can set the default target URL. This will be the link users are directed to when interacting with your items associated with this event. In most cases, your order will already be pre-configured with this target URL and ready for production. Option 2. Mobile Targeting. This feature is commonly used to promote app downloads for specific platforms like iOS or Android, but can also serve other purposes where device-based redirection is required. Please note that this configuration will override the default URL set in Option 1. Option 3. Geo Targeting. In this section, you can redirect users based on their geographic location, targeting specific regions such as countries or U.S. states. Keep in mind that IP-based geolocation may occasionally be inaccurate and is not entirely precise. When enabled, geo-targeting rules will override the configuration set in Options 1 and 2. Option 4. Expiration Date. This section allows you to configure a target URL that will remain active until a specified expiration date. To set expiration dates for destination URLs, follow these steps. 1. Enter the URL you want to assign an expiration date to. 2. Specify the date when the URL should expire. Once the expiration date is reached, the URL will become inactive. If you have multiple URLs with expiration dates, prioritize them by assigning the earliest expiration date first. When a URL expires, traffic will automatically redirect to the next URL with the subsequent expiration date. If no additional expiration dates are configured, traffic will default to the URL set in Option 1. Option 5. Behavioral Targeting. This feature lets you create personalized user experiences by redirecting traffic based on the number of times a user has visited your URL. To configure this, 1. Specify the visit number you want to target, such as visit number 1. 2. Enter the URL you want users to be directed to on their first visit. 3. Click Add to save the rule. With this setup, users will be redirected to the designated page on their initial visit. Subsequent visits will follow the traffic rules you've configured. You can set multiple rules for different visit numbers, such as Visit 2, Visit 3, and beyond, enabling tailored user journeys. When users reach the maximum number of visits specified, traffic will automatically redirect to the default URL configured in Option 1. Option 6. Password Protection. This feature is typically used to gate content by requiring users to enter a password or unique promotional PIN code. Users must enter the correct code to access and view the content. To set this up, 1. Specify the password or promo code. 2. Choose a template for the landing page where users will input the code. 3. You can customize templates by going to Settings, Custom Password Templates. This concludes our tutorial on managing events and campaigns. For additional information, please check out our other videos on how to manage individual orders URLs or explore the analytics reports. Thank you for watching.